Welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily, where we dive deep into the latest rides that define our streets. Today, we're talking about something that's not just a vehicle, but a part of daily life for millions, the 2026 Bajaj King Auto Rickshaw. The King is back, and this time, it's smarter, stronger, and more efficient than ever before. Bajaj has redefined what an auto rickshaw can be, taking practicality, comfort, and technology to a whole new level for urban mobility. At first glance, the 2026 Bajaj King looks familiar, yet more refined. The design has evolved to offer a more aerodynamic body with modern touches, sleek LED headlamps, sharper body lines, and a wider front windshield that gives the driver better visibility. Bajaj has maintained the traditional charm of the rickshaw but given it a futuristic touch that makes it look ready for the next generation of city transport. The new color options, stylish decals, and premium finishing add a dash of personality that drivers and passengers alike will love. Under the hood, or rather beneath the seat, the Bajaj King Auto Rickshaw 2026 comes with multiple power options: petrol, CNG, LPG, and even an electric version for the eco-conscious market. The updated BS7 compliant engine promises lower emissions, better fuel efficiency, and smoother performance, which means drivers can earn more while spending less. The electric version, in particular, is a game changer. It offers instant torque, silent operation, and low maintenance, ideal for the growing demand in cities focusing on clean energy. Bajaj claims it can travel up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it practical for a full day's work. Step inside, and you'll see how comfort has taken center stage in the 2026 model. The driver's seat is more ergonomic, the handlebar and controls are positioned perfectly, and there's even digital instrumentation with an LCD display showing speed, battery levels, and trip data. The passenger area is more spacious and now comes with better cushioning and improved suspension, ensuring a smoother ride even on rough roads. Bajaj has also improved the ventilation and side coverage to keep passengers comfortable during both summer heat and monsoon rains. Safety has received a major boost too. The new chassis design enhances stability, and the braking system is now more responsive, offering better control even with a full load. The improved LED lighting setup increases visibility at night, and the new indicator system is designed to be more reliable in all weather conditions. Bajaj has even introduced optional seat belts for passenger safety, something rarely seen in this segment before. The Bajaj King Auto Rickshaw 2026 is not just a workhorse, it's a symbol of progress. It's built for those who hustle daily, transporting people and goods through narrow streets and busy traffic. It's efficient, stylish, and built to last, exactly what every driver dreams of. With this update, Bajaj isn't just keeping up with the future of transportation, they're shaping it. Whether it's the smooth performance, the upgraded comfort, or the eco-friendly options, the 2026 Bajaj King truly lives up to its name, the King of the Roads.